It's a good city. I like it. Time as time pass. Best thing, theater. The theaters of Berlin is the best thing for me because they are good. I couldn't see any plays in Istanbul anymore, but here I enjoy every show that I see. Berlin is what I dislike about Berlin. It's a brand, so like they are selling it so that it can be filled with lots of adjectives. So that's a unique brand, I would say, because it's now advertised and it's been sold. So yeah, it's so hard to just have a personal opinion about it because it is what is consumed by everybody here. Gentrification is a very important issue here because it's like going up in economy, in social and political insights. I would just first say that Berlin, that brand is making people leave their homes, leave their jobs, leave their families, etc. So that kind of advertisement is what makes it hard.